Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Why Pagodas Don't Fall Down. First 1 to 4 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is, only 2 Japanese pagodas have collapsed in 1400 years. 1400 years में सिर्फ 2 pagodas ही गिरे हैं. In a land swept by typhoons and shaken by earthquake, how have Japan's tallest and seemingly flimsiest old buildings, 500 or so wooden pagodas, remained standing for centuries? Records show that only 2 have collapsed during the past 1400 years. Its answer is yes. Next question is, the Hanshin earthquake of 1995 destroyed the pagoda at the Toji Temple. 1995 के हनशिंग अर्थक्वेक ने टोजी टेम्पल के पगोडा को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया था. The disastrous Hanshin earthquake in 1995 killed 6,400 people, toppled elevated highways, flattened office blocks and devastated the port area of Kobe. Yet it left the magnificent 5-story pagoda at the Toji Temple. Earthquake ने सारा कुछ डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, सिर्फ टोजी टेम्पल को लेफ्ट मतलब छोड़ दिया था. तो इसका आंसर होगा no. Next is not given. Next to that is, the builders of pagodas knew how to absorb some of the power produced by severe weather conditions. पगोडा को बनाने वाले ये जानते थे कि अलग अलग वेदर कंडीशंस की पावर को कैसे अब्सॉर्ब करना है. Clearly Japanese carpenters of the day knew a few tricks about allowing a building to sway and settle itself rather than fight nature's forces. So its answer is yes. Next 5 to 10 questions are to classify the statements in A, B, and C. If the given statement relates to both Chinese and Japanese pagodas, then your answer will be A. If it talks only about Chinese pagodas, then your answer will be B. If it relates to only Japanese pagodas, then your answer will be C. First question is, easy interior access to top. Top पे पहुंचने के लिए easy interior है. Its answer is B. Only Chinese pagodas. The Chinese built their pagodas in brick or stone with inner staircase. Next question is, tiles on eaves. Eaves पे tiles. Its answer is A. Both Chinese and Japanese pagodas. Builders of Japanese pagodas seem to have further increased their weight by choosing to cover these eaves not with the porcelain tiles of many Chinese pagodas but with much heavier earthenware tiles. मतलब ईव्स पर टाइल्स दोनों ने ही यूज की थी, बट टाइल्स डिफरेंट थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, यूज एन ऑब्जर्वेशन पोस्ट. ऑब्जर्वेशन पोस्ट के लिए यूज किया. इट्स आंसर इज बी. ओनली चाइनीज पगोडर्स. द चाइनीज बिल्ट देयर पगोडर्स इन ब्रिक और स्टोन with inner staircase and used them in later centuries mainly as watchtowers. Next question is, size of eaves up to half the width of the building. Eaves का size building की width का half था. Its answer is C. Only Chinese pagodas. The roof of a Japanese temple building can be made to overhang the sides of the structure by 50% or more of the building's overall width. Next question is, original religious purpose. Original religious purpose किसका था? Its answer is A. Both Chinese and Japanese pagodas. The multi-story pagoda came to Japan from China in the 6th century. As in China, they were first introduced with Buddhism and were attached to important temples. China की तरह ही वो पहले बुद्धिज्म के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस हुए थे. Next question is, floors fitting loosely over each other. Its answer is C. Only Japanese pagodas. The ancient craftsmen, apparently without the assistance of very advanced mathematics, seemed to grasp the principles that were, more than 1,000 years later, applied in the construction of Japan's first skyscraper. What those early craftsmen had found by trial and error was that under pressure pagodas' loose stack of floors could be made to slither to and fro independent of one another. Next 11 to 13 questions are multiple options. First is, in a Japanese pagoda, the Shinbashira, its answer is D. Stops the floors moving too far. The Shinbashira, running up through a hole in the center of the building, constrained individual stories from moving too far. After moving a certain distance, they banged into it, transmitting energy away along the column. Next question is, Shuzo Ishida performs experiments in order to. Answer is C. Learn about the dynamics of pagodas. Pagodas की डायनामिक्स को समझने के लिए शुजो इशिदा ने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था. Mr. Ishida, known to his students as Professor Pagodas because of his passion to understand the pagoda, has built a series of models and tested them on a shake table in his laboratory. Next question is, the stories of a Japanese pagoda are, its answer is, C. Fitted loosely on top of each other. More surprising is the fact that the individual stories of a Japanese pagoda, unlike their counterparts elsewhere, are not actually connected to each other. They are simply stacked one on top of another like a pile of hats. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.